How to export video in MP4 format in CapCut. So if you want to export video in MP4 format in CapCut, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, now you need to just go with Create Project. And from here you can select a project. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a random video. After opening the video, you can just simply scroll down, make some adjustments. After making the adjustments, if you want to export the video in MP4 format, then you need to go with Export, which is on the top right. And from the export, you need to go with the name, add some title, and choose the export location. After that, go with the resolution and your bitrate. So here you will have the format. So if you want MP4 format, you just need to simply go with the drop down, and from the drop down you will have MOV and MP4. So you need to select MP4. After selecting MP4, you can go with export and it will start the exporting process. So that's it. That's how you can export video in MP4. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.